Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to backtest on cTrader. Start by opening cTrader on your device. You can use either the desktop app or the web version. Wait for it to fully load and make sure you are logged into your account. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see a vertical menu with different options. Find the option called Algo. In some versions, this may also be called Automate. Click on that option to switch to the algorithmic trading section. If this is your first time using this section, you may see a welcome screen. Look for a button that says Explore cTrader Store or Get Started with cBots. Click on that button to continue. This will take you to a list of available trading bots. Browse through the list and pick any cBot that you want to use for testing. Once you select one, look for the Install button. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. After installation, the cBot will be added to your platform. Now open the installed cBot. It should load inside the app interface. At the top menu bar of this section, look for an option called Backtesting. This is where you can test how the bot performs using past market data. In some accounts, like demo accounts, this option may not be visible. However, in most cases, you will see it right away. Click on Backtesting. Set your parameters such as time period, balance, and symbol if needed. Then start the backtesting process and let the system run the simulation. Thanks for watching.